Good morning, students. Welcome to home mentoring session of the SD Vidya School, Ambala, Kant. Today we are going to start chapter 9, the living organisms and their surroundings. Let's learn about characteristics of living things. All living beings are made up of cells. They move in search of food, shelter, or to escape from enemies. Living things grow. All living things are made up of cells. Here is a picture of plant leaf showing cells. Also, all living things grow. Here you can see from a seed, a plant germinates into a new plant. All living beings reproduce their own kind. The mode of reproduction may be different in different animals. Some animals produce their young ones through eggs. Some animals give birth to the young ones. All living things respond to stimuli. How do you respond if you suddenly step on a sharp object like a thorn? How do you feel when you see or think about your favorite food? Your favorite food and a thorn are some examples of changes in your surroundings. All of us respond immediately to such changes. Changes in our surroundings that make us respond to them are called stimuli. All living things need food. It gives them energy to grow. Animal depends on plants and other animals for their food. Food gives organisms the energy needed for them to grow. Organisms also need this energy for other life processes that go on inside them. All living things respire. Can we live without breathing? When we inhale, the air moves from outside to inside of the body. When we breathe out, the air moves from inside our body to outside. Breathing is a part of a process called respiration. In respiration, some of the oxygen of the air we breathe in is used by the living body. We breathe out carbon dioxide produced in this process. All living things get rid of waste produced in the body by the process of excretion. All living things take food. Not all the food that is eaten is really used. Only a part of it is utilized by the body. What happens to the rest? It has to be removed by the body as waste. Our body also produces some waste in other life processes. The process of getting rid of these waste by living organisms is known as excretion. Living things respire and excrete. Humans take in oxygen released by the plants. This is utilized for the oxidation of the food. During this process, energy, water, and carbon dioxide is produced. This carbon dioxide is exhaled out, which is taken by the plants for photosynthesis. There are several processes going on inside our body, such as digestion, respiration, etc. During these processes, some waste products are also produced. These are removed from our body in the form of urine, sweat, and exhaled air. Here is a mind map on characteristics of living things. Living things need water. Living things need food. They need air for respiration. They can excrete waste. They grow and they move about, and they also respond. When they respond to environment, sound, light, gravity, and touch. And when they can reproduce in many ways by laying eggs, giving birth to young ones, through seeds, through spores, which later on grow into plants. And also, they eventually die due to old age or due to any kind of illness.